Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable ads in your TikTok profile. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. Then we select Creator Tools. And in the Creator Tools menu, down at the bottom, we can tap on Add Settings, and this way we can enable ads and get paid for views on our professional account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.